toys. We're gonna be playing 99 Nights. Guys, I have very bad Wi-Fi because I can't log into the Wi-Fi, so I'm using mobile data. Gemma here is also recording, and there's my stinky brat sister. Jinx, the last one is Jinx. Ultra last. What about the wood? I think I'm liking it. We're gonna make the best base. Why are you teleporting? Why are you carrying your sack? Oh yeah, what is this? Oh, the grinder. The fire has knocked. Guys, I know the reason. Smells very bad. I know the reason. Bro, what is that? Guys, I know the reason for the rabbit. Hey, don't you take baby food? Yeah. Wrong. Put these in the grinder instead. Well, you can't use my Wi-Fi because there's no electricity since there's a blackout, and I'm using my data. Happy birthday! Okay, pick up everything that I dropped. Yeah, I need everything. I can't even pick up like the ones that bunny. No foot. Ew, why is it still running? Oh, it's dead. Oh, more things loaded, yeah. Oh my god, we're so good. I'm so happy. This feels more accent. Wow, this is so scammy. Oh my god, there's Wolfie. So that means I won't be able to eat anything. Happy day birthday. Happy birthday. Happy day birthday. Use your mom's Wi-Fi. Me and my mom use the same Wi-Fi. Yep. Yeah, what about put in this Wi-Fi? You built like a Wi-Fi. Okay guys, just so you know, literally Wi-Fi. I'm gonna die. I'm not talking about you guys. I'm talking about the bunny. Oh, yes! Should we die? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna die. ASMR! Oh, there's a pool. I kind of want to fish. There's nothing, but I'm still gonna fish in this empty lake. Oh my god. Whatever. We're gonna go die. Let's die. Look at this wolf. I'm gonna get like at least 4 or 5 wolves chasing me.